My name is Rahim. I came from Kazakhstan. I'm a student in Kazakhstan, so I have here a social internship. I came to Slovenia because it's a really small country in Europe, and I like this country, your landscape, your people, and character of your people. So I like this. Kazakhstan is a big country with big territory, but we have not so many people. It's like 17 million people. We have two big cities. It's Almaty, population like 2 million people, and Astana, it's a new capital city of Kazakhstan. It's like population 1 million people. In Kazakhstan we have virgin nature, virgin landscapes, taiga, Siberia and mountains, so it's very beautiful.